Ka-chow!
Today we're going to be working on this 1967 Ford Mustang, replacing the transmission, oil pan, gasket, and filter. Are you helping today, Shelby? Super cute.
Your lift point for the Mustang is going to be this bar just behind the oil pan. Please remember to chock the rear wheels and put jack stands underneath the car just for safety.
We're just going to loosen these bolts here, and we're going to start with the back and then loosen the front last and replace the gasket and filter.
You're going to remove all the bolts except for the 3 holding the front on. It will start to drip, and then you can lower the front bolts just slightly. Don't take them all the way off, and the fluid will come out the back of the pan. Take the pan the rest of the way off. There will be residual fluid, so make sure you have your drain pan ready. Next, we're going to remove the filter. The filter will also have residual fluid, so make sure you have your drain pan ready. This is what it looks like with the filter removed. Make sure you also clean up the edges where the new gasket will be going. The filter bolts were on very loosely, so I torqued them to about 5 foot-pounds in a star pattern. The new transmission oil pan came with a drain plug, so it's much easier to replace in the future. Next, we're going to apply the new gasket. Just line it up according to size and shape. Now, either using your original bolts or the new bolts that came with the pan, you're going to torque them in the following sequence to 16 foot-pounds. Lastly, you want to eyeball about how much fluid came out of the transmission and replace that amount. Generally, it's around 3 quarts. It's super helpful to have a transmission oil funnel for this purpose, or you can fashion a piece of tubing to the end of a funnel and fit it into the dipstick tube. In order to check the transmission fluid level, you need to get the engine and transmission up to normal operating temperature. In order to do that, you can sit in your driveway and just shift through the gears with the engine running, or you can go for a short little drive. Just be careful, because if you have put too little fluid in, it's possible that your gears will slip. Once you're at normal operating temperature, you're going to make sure that you're on a flat surface, and you'll check the oil level on the transmission oil dipstick. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.